Hello students, you are welcome in the Economica IAS YouTube channel, and as our current Indian economy day-to-day analysis is here. Today I will discuss with the news given in Hindu on 12th of this August, Wednesday, by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation on inflation. Today I will discuss about the inflation on the basis of consumer price index in July 2026. Actually, what happened due to increasing price of vegetables and fuel charges, the consumer price index suddenly increased at the highest level 4.45% in July 2026, that is CPI, and this is the highest inflation during last 19 months. Cause is very clear. If you go through, the concept of inflation means what? Fundamentals of economics you have to understand with the current updates as I discussed with you. Our retail inflation is increasing. Generally, we measure the inflation at the two prices, that is retail and stock prices. And there are different kind of consumer price index, CPI urban, CPI rural, CPI combined, consumer price index of industrial worker, agriculture worker. There are so many CPI which I discussed with you recently. Now the question arising here, what is the consumer price index? Actually, at retail level, we take the change in retail prices on the basis of base year. As you know, priorly the base year for CPI was 2011 and 12, and recently government changed its base year 2024 in 2025. Means now the base year for consumer price index is 2024 and current prices is what? That is July 2026. If the consumer price index say in 2024 is 100, in July 2026 it increased up to 100.4.5. It means consumer price index increased by 4.5%. This is the measurement of inflation in a layman language. If you generally like to understand what is the meaning of consumer price index. Actually, it shows the burden on the consumer pocket and the price of like petrol, like edible vegetables and other product is increasing. Means it creating the burden on the budget of our customers or consumers that can decrease their purchasing power with increasing price with respect to base year. Means value of money is decreasing but the general price level is increasing. Means purchasing power of the society is decreasing. These some points are necessary to you for understand what is the CPI, and we generally calculate the consumer price index by taking multiple commodities which are enlisted, that is P0 and P1. Means price of those commodities, suppose XYZ, there are the three commodity and price of this commodity 20 rupees per kg, and we assume the index is 100 and the Y commodity 30 rupees per kg index the 100 and Z is say 40 rupees per kg 100. In this way the overall index is three commodities are there, 300 upon 3 is equal to base year index 100. Now we calculate the change in the price of this current financial year, suppose 30, say 40, say 50. What kinds of change is there? You will calculate P1 upon P0, then multiply by 100. In this way you will derive the index for the year 2026. What will be? You can calculate 30 upon 20 into 100 that is 150. Similarly, that is 40 upon 30 into 100. You can calculate this same index 100, say 99, 33, 125 roundabout, and you will calculate that is 50 upon 40 into 100, 2 point, that is 2.125. In this way, the index for this year will be, say, 150, 125, 125. The total value will be 0, 7, 0, and this will be 1, 4 upon 3. That is 1, Vaja, Reza, Reza. It means index increased by 133 on the basis of base year during 2024 to 2026. The price increase on the 33%, but on the basis of per month, the price increase, say, only 4.45% in July 2026. This is something about which you can understand easily how we can calculate the index for the understanding the change in price during a period of 2024 to 26, and on the basis of monthly. On the basis of monthly, we are taking the base year before July, that is June. June will be the base year for July for calculating the price. On the basis of this, we calculate that in July 2026, this consumer price index increased by 4.45%, or general price level, retail price level increased by 4.45%. Thank you, student. I will again come to you with new current issues. There are some other issues I will discuss later. Thank you.